Hey there, this is K4A Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials, and in this video today we are going to learn how to use brush tool in Scratch. So let's sketch in Scratch. I have created a couple of sprites in previous videos, so maybe we can test the brush tool on some of those, but we will definitely use one sprite from Scratch. Anyway, so to start working with brush tool, all you have to do is click on this brush icon, which is in second row, first on the left, and you will get a pointer with circle like in Scratch. You have to click on costumes to see your sprite, and the color will be the last one which you selected. In my case it's some kind of yellow greenish. I will turn it into red, maybe. Yes, okay, to see it better. And it's simple as clicking on the screen and dragging, and you will create some basic shape. In this case it's some kind of arrow, but you can try to create some complex shapes. This tool again is very simple, but you will need it if you want to create custom sprites. What custom sprites are? Custom sprites are sprites which you create yourself when you cannot find sprite which you need for your game in sprite library. For example, if you click on animals, you need some specific animal like tiger or I don't know, some kind of crocodile, for example, and stuff like that. There is no animal like that in these sprites in sprite library, so I will have to create it on my own. So for example, for that purpose you will use brush tool, or you can copy paste some sprites from internet, but we're not going to do that in this video, don't worry, but just giving you example of what and why you would use this tool for. You can use this tool to make other simple adjustments or edits on your sprites or sprites from sprite library. So for example, if I want to add some kind of shoes on this cat, I can just click on sprite for this cat to select it, click on costumes to enter the sprite, click on brush tool and start drawing the shoes for this cat. And it's like painting in a real world, and as you can see I have created some kind of not very complex or anything like that, and sometimes it gets a little bit slowly and messy, but as you can see it works. Or for example, I can click on this building, and if I want to create some kind of door here, I only have windows, I don't have door, I would just create it like this, click, and that's it. Yeah. Again, very simple examples, but you get the idea. You click on the fill here icon to pick the color, or you can click on this eyedropper to select color from some sprite on the screen. So for example, I can create something like this and so on. So that would be basics of the tool. And another thing which is very important here is this brush tool, and this number here, that number represents how big or small your brush is in terms of pixels. So this number 10 is line is this thick. If I go smaller, it will be thinner like this this is 5. You can go to 1, I think. Yeah, this is 1 pixel, very thin, and not sure how thick it can be. Like, let's go for 20, and it can go even bigger. Another thing which is also important is that when you create lines, Scratch itself tries to make them look nicer, like cleaner, to make them smoother, and that is programmed in Scratch. I think you cannot turn it on or off like in some other softwares which we talked about, but in most cases that will help you. I'm now in cat sprite. I can now pick play button sprite. I can now pick building sprite. But what if I want to create something really from scratch, like from zero, from a blank screen? I would have to click on this cat sprite button here which says choose a sprite, then scroll up and click on paint, and then I will get empty sprite. You use that when you want to start from the scratch, with blank screen, and I want to do that just to show you how this line smoother works. So for example, I will now try to make some a broken line, like some kind of zigzag movement, and you will see on the screen how it works, how my line will be smoothed. I'm still drawing, and as you can see, it makes it smoother. Or if I want to make some wavy lines, check out how while I draw, this line becomes smoother. You see how it's like Scratch is making my lines look better, like it makes them smoother. Simple as that. And yeah, just explore this tool and try to make some funny or strange shapes just to learn it, how it works, and try to change colors, try to change the size of the brush and stuff like that, just to see how it works and does that fits your workflow. Can you create some sprites of your own for your own custom games? That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.